All right, we got the Wildwood. You know I like these things. This is a beauty. Outdoor kitchen, LED lighting, outdoor TV, 2 entry doors. Oh yeah, the D-Bud. Let's go take a look. It's got everything. That's a sleeper. That turns into a sleeper. You got 2 more bunks back there. Super nice. Super nice. Great bathroom. You also have pantries, everything. Another pantry right here. You got fireplace, brand new Roku TV. Look at this bedroom. Super nice. You got the old closet right over there. This is a keeper. This is a super keeper.